So I have another unboxing. I know we've had quite a few lately, you know, staying inside, coronavirus, spending a little bit of money. But this I actually did not spend any money on. My brother actually sent it to me, and I have no idea what it is. He just told me to make an unboxing of it or to open it up and film it so he could see. So that's what I'm doing. I don't know what it is. I'm assuming it's clothing related because of the channel and how he told me to, you know, make an unboxing for it. Quite a big box. Not exactly sure. I did look for the like sending address where it came from, and it's from him, so it didn't give me any ideas of where it was from, you know, like Supreme or anything. So I got no idea what it is. So I'm gonna open it up, figure out what it is. I don't know. It's not super heavy, so I'm guessing like a t-shirt. It's not heavy enough to be like pants or like a hoodie or anything, so I'm just guessing a t-shirt. But we'll open it up, check it out. It's probably gonna be loud. It wasn't that bad. Okay, it is not clothing related. Almost looks like it's gonna be like a vinyl or something, or a frame. Wood burning. I don't know what this is. A picture frame. Oh wow, okay. So if you guys know, we recently hit the 1,000 subscribers. We're actually soaring past it, and right now we're at 1250. I want to say a little bit above, but around there it's like 1250. And I guess this is the official 1,000 subscribers YouTube play button. I think it's around, I want to say it's at 100,000. They send you a silver one, and then like 1,000,000 or whatever, you get red ones or whatever. I don't know. And then PewDiePie has the 100 million where they have that like crazy diamond ruby one. Also, sorry for the noises. It's like 20-mile-an-hour winds outside, and there's stuff going on. But we got it. The 1,000 subscribers play button. Not what I was expecting, but just as good as anything else.